So I was just chilling at home, and then my garage door opens, and then it closes again, and there's an Amazon package inside. Never signed up for that. Was thinking, oh great, you gotta be kidding me. Turns out my roommate must have downloaded an app on his phone and started controlling the garage door opener with it. When I called them, there was apparently a way to reset it, but in order for me to prevent it from happening again without it being reset, apparently I would have to do it myself. But he was using an extender which allowed access, which I couldn't find access through the regular network. So I couldn't even use the app myself to stop someone else